Formula uteris exorcismorum et excommunicationum strigus et fictus lupus credere demon bellum lupinum in tronco quorum qua arbores occultandum metamorphosis lycanthropy possunt inquam metamorphosis lycanthropy possunt inquam. Okay, I just received the most horrible news of this whole Man versus Machine series. And I'm about to show you it, my discovery, and it's gonna change everything for us, my friends. I'm sorry. It's just such a fucking bummer. Here, I'll show you. Alright, so we are underneath the car. Here's the front. And here's the engine, the crank. So let's go look at this engine, if we can see it. So, up here is a piston that's shattered. You guys probably can see some of that. But here's the alarming part. You see it right here? It's a hole punched right in the block. So the whole engine is just totally fucked. It's just totally fucked up. So, I mean, there's this part too. Look, it's shattered. I'm just really disappointed because I wanted to rebuild this thing. See it? See the broken part? It's hard to see, but... Alright. I'll see you guys later.